Hello guys, welcome to another video here in how to do it. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to create a bootable device with Windows 11. So if you want to install Windows 11 on a built PC and you don't want to pay 90 to $100 for a device with Windows 11, I'm gonna be showing you how to install Windows 11 in a flash drive for free. Keep in mind that you have to activate the key of the product by yourself, but we all know that we have web pages that offer you the code for around 10 to $20. So let's get started. All right, guys, let's begin with the process of creating a bootable device with Windows 11. The first thing we gotta do is to go to the link that I'm gonna leave on the description below. So it's this one right here. If you wanna copy it from the screen or the description below, it's up to you. So on this page is going to give us a download for the media creation tool. That's all we need to create a bootable device with Windows 11. So if you wanna read before you download it, all the information is on the page right here. So I'm gonna download it. Just keep in mind that this Windows 11 is only compatible with 64-bit devices. If you are an architecture for a ARM device, ARM-based architecture, it won't work for you. But 90% of the users of Windows are 64-bit, so it's most likely that it's gonna um, fit your architecture. So we download it. So we got it right here. After we download it, it's gonna give us that file right here, this file right here, and then we are going to open it as administrator. We open as administrator. Before we continue, I just want to let you know that your USB drive has to be at least 8 gigabits of capacity. So I got a 64, so that's more than enough. And it's going to format all the files. So I recommend you to use a blank flash device, and because it's gonna erase everything, but it's gonna be bootable and it's gonna work if you, how I said at the beginning, are if you are creating a built PC and you want to install Windows 11. So we run it as administrator. It's gonna pop up this page right here. I mean this program. Okay. We accept the terms and conditions. We accept them. Before you continue, just plug your device so the computer recognizes it. So if you want to change the language of the operating system, you can do that by unclicking this box. So if you unclick it, it's gonna give you more options on the language. So I'm gonna use United States English, and the edition is the Windows 11. That's the only option we have. So we press next. We select this one right here, USB flash drive. That's going to do a bootable device. So we press next, and we select the device that we want to create the Windows 11 system on. So in this case, this is the one that I'm using. So we press next, and it's gonna download Windows 11, and it's going to create the bootable device after that. So let's wait for it. I'm gonna leave this right here downloading, and then I get back to you when it's done and show you the next step. Right, guys, as we can see right here, it finished downloading and creating our Windows 11 in our flash drive. So we click on this one, and it's gonna show us all the files for the bootable device. We can install this Windows 11 in a computer by clicking the setup I'm not gonna do that because you wanna do it bootable. And basically, if you build a PC, it's not gonna have Windows 11. So we all know how to do it. If you build a PC, you have a bootable device. So we click on finish. It's gonna set up, and that's it. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. And if you like it, please like the video. And if you wanna subscribe to see more of these kind videos, do it. And I will see you on the next one.